Guys, welcome back to the another episode. If you are new here, my name is Ronak, a YouTuber, book blogger, podcaster, and a freelancer. On this channel, we talk about books, business, freelancing, recommendation, and little bit about how to make money online. So if you are interested, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Before we get into the book review, make sure to check out the book trailer, which is you can see the link here or the link in the description. The trailer looks amazing. I really love the trailer. You can watch it and let me know what do you think about trailer. We are going to talk about I Just Want to Remember by Nitin. Well, this book is quite good. I really enjoyed reading, but I do have mixed feelings about this book because this book talk about the romance and suspense genre, which is suspense is kind of my favorite. I used to love romance a lot in the college days, but nowadays it's kind of 50-50. I'm more into the non-fiction book, but this book is quite good because at the end of the book you will understand why we are doing the things, why we should do the things, and what is the purpose of life. Talking about the story, this is the story of Aditya and Avantika, which is kind of unexpected and accidental story, like they fall in love with each other, what things happen with their in between. Also, this story talk about the typical Indian family background, like what are the things happen in the Indian family, like between the mother and father, between their childs. Like there is one child which is a very brave, one child which is a less brave, and those are things are really enjoyable in this book. Though there are few drawbacks about this book, we are going to talk about in the later part of the video. But if you're looking for the Indian family background, like what are the things happen in the Indian family, what you should focus on, how the siblings are treated, how the relation between mother and children happens, then you can definitely pick up this book. I just want to remember ये story start होती है Bangalore से, then it moved to the Bombay, then again that from Bombay again it moved back to the Bangalore. So this is typically a circle kind of thing, जहाँ एक से शुरू होके फिर वहीं पे हम आ जाते हैं. Usually Bangalore में होता है आदित्य की फैमिली, उसके बैकग्राउंड के बारे में, वो क्या करता था, उसके मॉम डैड क्या करते थे, अबाउट दे आर फ्रॉम द हाई सोसाइटी, बिकॉज उसके फादर वो एक बड़े लॉयर थे, उसका बड़ा बेटा जो लंदन में था वो अभी आने वाला था, और आदित्य इज़ काइंड ऑफ लिटिल बिट बेटर दैन एवरेज पर्सन, कि जो स्पोर्ट्स में भी था और एजुकेशन यानी कि स्पोर्ट्स में सबसे ज़्यादा था. सो वी कैन सी फ्रॉम द कवर दैट दे आर बोथ आर होल्डिंग द बैडमिंटन. सो वी गेट टू नो दैट दिस स्टोरी इज़ अबाउट देयर बैडमिंटन लाइफ, what are their badminton life, how both meet each other and everything. So बेंगलोर में उसके फैमिली के बारे में बताया गया है कि उसकी फैमिली क्या क्या करती थी, उसके डैड के बारे में, उसकी मॉम के बारे में, क्योंकि उसके जो डैड थे यानी कि आदित्य's डैड, ही इज़ नॉट काइंड ऑफ प्राउड ऑफ आदित्य बिकॉज ही इज़ इन द स्पोर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड, और इसकी मॉम थी जो हमेशा उसे सपोर्ट करती थी. ही इज़ ऑलवेज सपोर्टिव टू द आदित्य विद एवरी डिसीजन, एंड उसके फादर इज़ काइंड ऑफ नॉट प्राउड ऑफ बिकॉज वी रीड अबाउट ऑल दिस स्टफ. देन उसके ब्रदर के बारे में बताया गया है जो कि उसका उदय होता है. उदय ही इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम द लंडन. देन देयर इज़ अ टॉक बिटवीन द उदय एंड द आदित्य की हाउ दे शुड treat each other, how they should think about their life. Think about the characters. Well, the character Geeta is one of my favorite character in this whole book because Geeta यानी कि आदित्य की मॉम होती है, and she is really good when it comes to the character because she knows the importance of family, she knows the importance of bonding, she knows how we should treat our other, she knows what actually Aditya wants, and she knows about why you should treat a family in a good way and everything about that. So Geeta is my favorite character. After that we get to know that Aditya की life थोड़ी एडवेंचर आ जाते हैं. देन दे हैव टू मूव टू द बॉम्बे बिकॉज उसके ही इज़ रियली गुड एट बैडमिंटन एंड फॉर द फर्दर ट्रेनिंग ही हैव टू गो टू द बॉम्बे, एंड देन दे शिफ्टेड टू द बॉम्बे. ऑलमोस्ट 80% ऑफ द बुक इज़ इन द बॉम्बे एंड 20% द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट पार्ट अबाउट द बुक इज स्टेज इन द बेंगलोर because obviously the story starts with the Bangalore which is about the family, then moves to the Bombay जहाँ पे उसका ट्रेनिंग सीजन, जहाँ पे उसे वो अवंतिका मिलती है, and about all that stuff, and after that story moves back to the Bangalore. Now let's talk about the Bombay जहाँ पे now आदित्य and उसका एक फ्रेंड होता है यानी कि अविनाश, दोनों ट्रेनिंग के लिए आ चुके होते हैं, and there is a lot of thing happen in the Bombay because if you उनके रंजित सर यानी कि टीचर जिनका नाम रंजित सर होता है, they are also there to teach everything about that. If you have watched the Dangal movie, then you will see that while reading the book you will definitely remember the Dangal movie because the same kind of stuff happens here. Not exactly, but there is little bit of here and there which things happen in this book that will remind you the Dangal movie. So basically यहाँ पे अविनाश और आदित्य they are preparing for badminton sports, they are doing the training there, and वहाँ पे उसकी आर्ट गैलरी में एक लड़के से मुलाकात हो जाती है. आफ्टर दैट सेम लड़की goes to the after that he meets the same girl in the badminton court, which is उसका नाम होता है अवंतिका. एंड देयर इज़ अ कनेक्शन बिटवीन दैट, हाउ दे फॉल इन लव विद ईच अदर. देन देयर इज अ सेपरेशन वाला पार्ट, हाउ दे मीट, एक्चुअली दे डेटिंग सीन एंड एवरीथिंग. To be honest, this is a love story about Aditya and Avantika and what actually happened between them. Then there is a separation part, and this is how the story begins, about the 80 to 90% of the book. And after that, Aditya realized his own potential, how he can do, what are the things he should focus on, because अवंतिका चली जाती है और उसके बाद आदित्य की लाइफ के बारे में बताया गया है कि how he is great, how he is doing all the stuff and everything about that. And that's something really cool about this book. And the end suspense is really good. It's not that romance is very cheesy. In this book, the romance is kind of average or less than average. It's not very high romance like we see in the Chetan Bhagat book, but the romance is very, very low. So you kind of, if you are not a romance person, but if you want suspense plus romance, then you can check out this book. Another thing, that the suspense at the end is really good. I mean, that's the suspense, something I really enjoyed reading, but it's not on very high note. Probably we have to wait for another book for that. Talking about the language is very easy, but there are few grammatical mistakes here and there that author have to focus on while writing the next book. Other than that, the story is kind of amazing. The friendship between the Aditya and Avinash is really good. I mean, then there is a relation between the sibling relation between the Aditya and Uday, which is really awesome. I really enjoyed reading that sibling relation. Other than that, the book is quite lengthy. I mean, 400 pages book, it's not something that I expected, because most of the books, even though the font is big, you can see the font is little big, but the book length is really long. I mean, 400 pages, I don't think this much required for this kind of story. Other than that, the story is about the suspense and romance. But if you are looking for more into the friendship kind of thing, if you are looking more into the family drama, typically Indian family drama, where the importance of the family, importance of the brother, how the father should look at their brothers, or how the brother should understand their father, and how the mother should understand their children and their her husband. So if you're looking in this category, then I just want to remember, it will help you that book. Well, this book is not that fast paced. Let me tell you, if I should not read, well, this book is not that fast paced, where usually we look at for other book where the suspense on every page we get to see the suspense and every page is kind of page turner. Well, this is not that kind of book. If you are a slow reader, if you want to understand, if you are okay with source place, and if you are okay with reading 400 pages, then you can definitely pick up this book. Other than that, suspense is quite good. You can definitely pick up this book if you are into these kind of category. The link in the description available. Also, you can check out the trailer. The link in the trailer you can find here, or link in the description, because that will help you to understand what is the story about, what is the background about the story, and then you can definitely pick up this book. So that's all for the today's video. I just want to remember by Nitin. This book I kind of enjoyed reading, but not up to the extent, up to 100%, but this is a kind of average read for me. So that's all for the today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter, where I share the Sunday snippets about all the quotes or all the things from any book that I read. On the every Sunday I send mails, so don't forget to check out and subscribe to the newsletter. Other than that, don't forget to check the Instagram, where I post stories and tweet and everything for the behind the scenes stuff, if you want to enjoy that. If you're looking for other book that recommendation, then you can check out this video, where the fiction books I have recommended. You can check that video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, tata, take care.